Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to organize projects with folders in Snappa. To organize projects with folders in Snappa, follow these steps. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the Snappa dashboard, where all your existing projects are listed. Go to the Saved Graphics option here. Now, click on the New Folder to create a new folder. A dialog box will appear prompting you to add a name for the folder. Give the folder a relevant name. Once the folder is created, you can start organizing a project. To move the project into a folder, simply hover over the project you want to organize and drag it into the folder. And you can see that the project has been added in the new folder here. Choose the folder where you want to place the project or create a new folder if needed. To view the content, you can simply click on it. You can continue adding more projects to the folder by repeating the move to folder process. If you need to rename or delete a folder, click on the folder name and click on the This drop-down icon. Click on Rename to add a new name to your folder, or click on it to delete the folder. Deleting a folder will not delete the project inside it, but will remove the folder structure. If you have many folders and projects, use the search bar here in the dashboard to quickly find a specific project or folder. By using folders in Snappa, you can keep your project organized and easily manage different designs for various purposes. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.